Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me.
Hey y'all, if you're new here, my name is Steph and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning bestie, hey girl, hey. Just a mini life update. Like, things has been just moving forward, but I have been recording like slightly, but I haven't been like picking up the camera as much. So that's what you guys saw in the beginning, like my July and most of my August. Like, I had my class reunion where I reconnected with a lot of my old friends. I had like went on a couple dates. Also, like what else did I do? Oh yeah, I went to some networking events and I met a lot of lovely girls at this Melanin and Mimosas type of brunch. It was really fun. Like, so as I came back, I just wanted to step out my comfort zone a little bit, just by myself without the camera, where that way I'm just, you know, getting my foot back wet, because I haven't been out here so long. Like, Iowa just kept me like at one level for so long. So me coming back, I just had to like step my foot on the gas and like, you know, just start swimming a little bit. So yeah, y'all, we swam, we got the motion of the ocean, and yeah, now we back at it. So yeah, it was time to, you know, just move forward in life, and that was it. It was time to let go of an old chapter and start something new. That's basically what I'm doing now, coming back, and now we're about to get ready to go look at luxury apartments, and I'm so excited. Like, you know, you always dream about trying to be able to afford something like that. So now to be able to be in that type of bracket, I'm so excited, and I'm just looking forward to do it. And I'm going to take you guys on that journey with me, just to let you know, like, everybody always thinks Chicago real estate is not like that, but you have to know what you're looking for and look at the right areas. If you want to be downtown, like by the lakefront, expect to pay lakefront prices. But I'm also going to show you guys some good affordable ones that have all those same amenities, but still give you like that same, like, you know, bang for your buck, where you're not just going broke paying for this stuff. So I'm excited to show you guys this journey, and yeah, let's get into it. We are now dressed for the day. I have on this two-piece set from Pretty Little Thing, and yeah, we're about to head on out and head downtown and go check out these. All right, y'all, so we're at the first property. It is a 2-bedroom 2-bathroom. Let's go through it. The closet area. Here go the first bedroom. Okay, it's decent size. I'll probably use this like an office or something, knowing me. Decent size closet. I love something with a little view now, honey. Okay, washer and dryer and unit. That's like a big must too. That's like kind of on my checklist as well. Before we get there, we're gonna go to this bathroom. Okay, we got a shower. We got the kitchen. I love the colors in here, y'all. These colors are really cute. Nice clean stove. Living room. Let's see what the fridge looking like. It's nice size. Kind of like the one I had already. Okay, freezer. Yes, for this living room. I love how they did this. The pictures, the art, everything is really giving right now. Look at this view. Okay, Chicago. One thing I'm feeling is this area right here. This would definitely be something that we will be chilling in. Just looking outside. Have like a little wine rack. Okay. Oh, okay. I see these, but these is cute too. Okay. It is a great size. See with the master. See, I don't be tripping on closet space because I'm finna get like the whole closet like organized system. So I'm not really tripping on closet space. Whatever closet I get, I'm just gonna change. And then this is the master. Okay. Bathroom. I really wanted something with 2 sinks in the bathroom, but that's really tripping. Okay. So let me know what you guys think about this one. I'm gonna give this one a nice solid 8, but let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments, and we're gonna keep going. So we just came to a 3-bedroom. Let's start in the kitchen. Oh yeah, it's a lot more brighter in here. It still got that same stove you said. Babe, feeling that stove. Okay, for the space. So what they say? Sheesh. Sheesh. Okay, for the space. Let's see the balcony. Okay, this would be the master. Let's check out the bathroom. Okay, it's the thing, so I can mess with it. Okay, let's see the other 2 bedrooms. I like this room too. It has a great natural light. These rooms have a good natural light to them. Like, now we're in the 1-bedroom that one of the leasing agents wanted us to come see, that they just remodeled. He says not even open yet to the public, but he said come look at it. And y'all, this one is so nice. It has like all the modern upgrades that we're looking for, from the sink to even like the little stove. But yeah, this one is definitely giving like a 10, even though it's just a 1-bedroom. Look at the bedroom. And then after this, we're going to see the next remodeled 2-bedroom. And hopefully that one's somewhat like this one too. Ways for YouTube. Y'all, we just came up to check out the rooftop and business center. Like, what? It is so pretty. Like, the city is giving. It just bumped it up from an 8 to a 10. Now I know what you did when you did what you do. But you did, girl. See, normally I don't stutter, but you did do it. y'all, so it's been a couple of days. I had to run back to Iowa to like handle some business, but I'm back home now, and it is Friday night, and I'm about to head out. We're about to have like a little girls night. We're gonna go to this restaurant called Blum, and it's like up north or whatever. We're about to go have like a little drinky drink or whatever and get some food, and then we're gonna go head out and see what the nightlife have to offer. So I just got dressed for the night. I am wearing this top from Shein, actually, these pants from Akira, and I'm gonna pair it with these like brown heels and my brown Louis. I'm giving like Louis bag, you know what I'm saying, like vintage Louis bag. So yeah, so we're about to head on out right now. I'm gonna go get in the car, put some gas in the car, and we're going out. Okay, y'all, so we made it to Hampton Social. We're already in our first drink or whatever. They act like they don't want to get another one, but the drinks were definitely good. I rate them definitely a 9 out of 10, especially for the ambiance. We had us a little spinach dip because we just came for the drinks, really. I had like a spritzer, and so did my cousin, and my sister had a rum type of margarita, and then we got my little cousin a little mocktail because, you know, she's 16, she don't need no liquor. But yes, y'all, the vibe here are definitely like something. If you definitely want to go somewhere like out of Chicago but definitely get that same type of vibe, definitely check out Hampton Social. Yes, they coming around with the drinks. They got
slightly marinated.
Oh yeah. What drink is it?
It's I like it a yacht.
I like it yacht. Thank you. Thank you. Try that drink, Ashley. Ashley looking like That tastes good. Yeah, tastes like juice. Bestie, you finished it? Sorry. Oh, okay, y'all. This is the I Like It yacht. We're gonna try this now. Oh, this is delicious. I just mixed it. This is delicious, y'all. We just did this impromptu road trip. Just got here a little bit last night-ish, and I had relaxed, laid down a little bit, had to get some rest. I woke up, we went and got a fresh juice, as you guys saw earlier. Hopefully I can make it to the mall because I want to go to the store and see if I can find some heels or something like that. If not, I'm gonna wear the ones I have because I'm already running behind. The summit started around like 10 and it's already like 11-ish, and y'all wouldn't even believe what happened. Like, I was traveling and I have to wear contacts. I did not have a contact case, so I had to run up this morning and go to Target. By the time we got here, everything was closed, so I couldn't even get no case. So basically, I just had to sleep in my contacts. So now my eyes are like super red, but it's all good though. We got that all together, so I'm gonna let my eyes rest for a little bit, and I'm gonna do some editing. And I'm gonna do some editing on the vlog that you guys probably already see now, which is like my, you know, my moving vlog, and now my spiritual journey vlog. As you guys know, I've been taking a little journey, a little absence from all social media and all my platforms like that, just to get better within myself, to create better content for you guys. You know what I'm saying? We have to all have a purpose. We all always have to align with what we're trying to do, and that's what I wanted to do. So now I am back with another. Right now we are somewhere else. We are somewhere we're probably going to be moving. So let's just get to it. Okay, y'all, the nails came out fine. As we can see, they're done, and the outfit is now on. I got this top from Shein. I got these pants from Zara when I paired it with the white Chanel, and just some brown nude, or like some nudish color heels. Like nothing special, because we just want to go, you know, catch a breeze, network, meet some people, something cute but sexy, but you know, networking look, you know. So our Uber is on the way now, and then we're about to head on downstairs, and I can't wait, y'all. So we're gonna check back in when we get to the content summit.
How y'all feeling? You feeling it? That don't sound like y'all feeling good? There we go. Out creating content that your fans want to see, that your followers know you for.
So I guess I'll start. I think that for me, what I do, I'm more of a long form content creator. So bit different when it comes to following trends and doing things like that. So for me, I say give your people what your people want. Forget what the trends is doing. People say consistency is just a major one, guys. And just being yourself and your community will find you. Like, don't try to be somebody else. And like, because TikTok is in the world now, it has shifted the world completely. So much. Like, you have to be your own person. Like, nobody, we don't want the cookie cutter no more. We want to know who is Kate Gray, who is Aaliyah, who is Ayana. We don't want to know Aaliyah number 2. So yeah, consistency.
And I would definitely say that I feel like it sounds so cliche until I actually like applied it to my life. You can literally do anything that you want. It's like there's no dream too big, there's no limit to your creativity or whatever you do. I started with a 10 in 2021, January 1st, I think, like New Year's. I started with a $10 little table I got from Walmart. Hello, that's.
I don't know what's wrong with you guys. I feel like y'all don't need love. You need somebody who could micromanage you, you know what I'm saying? Tell you right from wrong, who's smart from who's a fool, which utensil to use for which food. Like, I got a schedule to attend to though. I can't really.